Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to find out what Wix template a website is using. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, you have to copy your Wix website domain name or URL, and now open a new tab and type here gochu.com. And now enter your Wix website URL here, and don't cut any part of the URL, and then click on detect. And then here I can see this site is built with Wix, and here is site information. The theme is showing up here. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.